Well, the rain has continued and the wind has continued. It's a bit chilly out there and wet, but inside I am nice and cozy. I'm using lanterns to save my battery, but I can turn lights on if I need to, but why do it? I have my chair reading, still fastened down from the trip, in my bed, which, even though it's afternoon, I might just get in bed and read. I've closed everything up because it's so cold. Well, cold for a Florida girl. But I think it's going to be nice and cozy. Rain's supposed to stop this afternoon, and it's supposed to be really nice tomorrow. We'll see.